In this video, I will show you how to clear cache on any smart TV. So if you have LG, Samsung, Sony, or Android TV, we can use this. So first things first, what is cache? So cache is a temporary storage area where data is kept for quick access. So your smart TV stores cache for information from apps, websites, and system processes for them to load faster. So you may be asking, why should you clear your TV's cache? First, it can improve performance, since a bloated cache can slow down your TV's processing. Now, in here, if you're asking how to clear your cache, it actually varies per TV. So, on general, many smart TVs, you can access it on your settings and then navigate to the apps or application manager section. Select the app that you want to clear the cache and look for the option that says clear cache, and you should be able to clear it. If you have a Samsung, you can go to Settings, Support, and Device Care and click on the Manage Storage from there and then choose the app that you want to clear the cache. Click on the View Details option and select Clear Cache option. Now, if you have an LG TV, you can press the home button on your remote, then go over to Settings, General, and Storage and click on Select Cache. And then from in there, if you have Android, you can go to your settings and apps, click on select all apps, and then choose the app that you want to clear the cache and click on the clear cache. If you have Roku TV, Roku TVs don't have a built-in cache clearing option, but you can achieve similar results by restarting the TV or removing and reinstalling problematic applications. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.